morning, Pirates. This is PNN, the Pirate News Network, your weekly source for all things San Pedro High School. I'm Robert Leyva.
And I'm Ricky Medina, and here's the latest news.
Are you interested in being part of decisions like football game themes, homecoming, and prom? Want to take on a leadership role at the school? Join ASB Leadership. Applications are available on Schoology.
Do you want to help make PNN Pirate News next year? Well, we need new anchor people to sit behind this desk. New reporters, new video editors, new segment producers, photographers, and more. If you want to be a part of the PNN team, sign up for your journalism class with your counselor. We will need reporters on the Olguin campus too. If you are Olguin only, simply email Mr. Crowley at djc2241@lausd.net to learn how you can be a part of the team on Olguin. It's a lot of fun making pirate news.
Seniors, the Lady Booster Scholarship is now available. Look for signs posted around campus and post on Schoology. Applications are due May 9th. And if you are attending a four-year college in the fall, you need to upload your college to Naviance to ensure your transcripts are sent there.
Shout out to the gifted STEAM Magnet students who took their PB&J Popsicle Bridges to compete at CSU Long Beach. We entered 4 teams, which included Isabella Castillo, Emma Santiago, Kaylee Robinson, Kyoko Fuji, Jessica Allen, Kaylin Cruz, Alessandra Hernandez, Tira Taula, Krista Delmar, Kelsley Porter, Catherine Franco, and Adrian Fernandez. Michael Aligo, Crystal Pham, Leon Hashimoto, and Jaden Evans. A special shout out to Ms. Arciaga and Mr. Tase for getting our students ready.
Mark your calendars because the spotlight is on our student artists. On Thursday, May 1st from 5 to 9 p.m., head down to Chic Impact at 455 West 6th Street in San Pedro for our Student Arts Showcase during First Thursday. Come celebrate pirate creativity and talent.
Congratulations to girls soccer, Coach Maciel, for being selected the Daily News Coach of the Year, and to girls soccer players Leilani Phillips for making All-Area First Team, Juliana Suchin, All-Area Second Team, and Kobe Teofilo for All-Area Third Team. Well done, everyone. Seniors, prom is coming. The one-day flash sale will be on April 30th at the student store on both campuses. Tickets are $135 only on this day.
Hey, Ricky, we have a special surprise for our viewers this week, but you have to guess.
Oh, really? Okay.
Who are the coolest PNN fans we have?
That's easy. Our favorite and coolest fans are the students in the IDM program at Angels Landing. Now, I really want to know what the surprise is.
Well, the amazing Mr. Kaufman sent us some footage of the super awesome IDM students performing the song Summer Nights from the classic musical Grease and their multimedia 3D sculpture called Infinite Transformations. Check it out.
That was amazing, guys. Up next, we are visiting the Queen of Green, the amazing Miss Cheng, and her classes with their Earth Day projects and displays that took place during open house.
Hi, so we're at the entrance of Miss Cheng's classroom, and right here are the posters that we made last month for March of the Mammals. Okay, as you can see, this is all the creativity that our students have made, especially with the art, and some of them are quite interesting. All right, let's head up inside. Hi, Miss Cheng. Hi. Okay, Miss Cheng, we would like to know, what do you do for Happy Earth Day?
Well, Earth Day should never be only celebrated one day, but instead it should be every day. Right. So we practice recycling, we practice reusing, we practice reducing. Instead of recycling, we should reduce our consumerism. All right? What about you guys? What will you do?
Always recycle. Always recycle. Hi, so what do you guys do for your club?
So our club is the Climate Action Club, and we basically target the earth, and we want no pollution. We want less of everything that hurts our earth because we were the ones that caused it. So we're trying to bring it back to how it originally was without the humans causing changes.
Bye!
We will have more stories from Open House in future episodes, but up next, we have a special sneak peek from the upcoming Pirate Players performance of the play Hadestown, which will take place on Ogeen on May 2nd, 3rd, and 4th.
Hi, my name is Charlie Cole, and I am the director of Hadestown. Very excitingly, we just finished everything vocally, so we're just working on putting everything on its feet as it goes. And yesterday, it was like a dream for me. We finished Epic 3, which is something that I've been working on, a whole company number all on my own. And we did it with our musical director, and it looked absolutely incredible, all a cappella with our incredible voices. And it was just so magical to see like an idea in your head finally make it on stage. So we're looking good, 53 days till opening, and I'm feeling a little more relieved than I was.
Hi, I'm Roman Morris. I'll be playing Orpheus in our production of Hadestown. Diving into the character of Orpheus, at first it seems like he's just some naive boy discovering the world as it is because he's been raised differently his whole life. Diving into that is just this whole process of putting yourself into the shoes of someone who doesn't know much about the world. So listening to everything and thinking of it as how I was when I was younger, and exploring everything for the first time, and really just trying to connect with Orpheus through these big emotions that he's having as he moves down the road to Hadestown, as he falls in love for the first time, as he loses his love. It's all just a big process of a young boy finding out how everything is.
Get your tickets now. See Schoology for details.
And that's a wrap for this week's show. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at sanpedro_PNN.